Hello everyone, what's up? My name is Peterson. I'm from Beijing, China, and I'm currently biking around this lovely planet, just one random place at a time. This video just a collection of clips from my early part of the trip. It's not super complete. I actually didn't start properly filming until I reached Lake Biwa in Shiga, Japan. So stay tuned for more. Back in April, I bought my bike in Shanghai. My friend, shout out to Miss Chen, helped me do a little test ride from downtown Shanghai all the way to Pudong. We just wanted to make sure the bike won't fall apart immediately. Also, huge thanks to my college buddy Mr. Zhao. He let me crash in his office for 2 whole weeks. Then after some tweaks and adjustment, on April 5th, I landed in Kagoshima, Japan. At Pudong Airport, I met this super nice lady, Eureka, who lives in Spain, and she was traveling with her daughter. She literally got off the plane and was like, "Hey, let me help you find a bike shop." Super nice lady. Now, that bike shop, turns out the owner had absolutely no idea what my bag was. I've got a Cannondale Topstone with SRAM wireless shifting. Basically, this sweet old Japanese guy just poking around like it was the toaster. Watching him trying to figure it out was so stressful. I was like, ugh, this just doesn't feel right. So I video called my friend back in Shanghai. And yeah, confirmed, this dude was definitely got no idea what he was doing, not a back whisperer. But I did eventually find a proper shop and got the bag assembled the right way. I've realized there's still a lot I need to learn when it comes to bicycle, especially for maintenance and how to actually assemble one. Anyway, here is a look at my first 10 days of cycling in Japan. Starting from here, I'll be posting the rest of the trip in order, beginning with Lake Biwa. So I hope you enjoy my video. If you got thought, questions, or just want to say something random, please feel free to leave a comment. And if you like this kind of chaos on two wheels, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next random corner of the planet. Konnichiwa.